How to add annotations in Figma. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add annotations in Figma to make your designs easier to understand for teammates, developers, or clients. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on a device. After that, open Figma app. Now open a file or create a new one. The simplest way to add annotation is using the text tool. Just press T on your keyboard, click anywhere on the canvas and start typing. Like this, you can add annotations. Now next method is using color boxes or sticky notes. You can also create small colored boxes or sticky notes to highlight your annotations. Use rectangles with yellow fill and add text on top. You can change the color of this box and type in the text that you want to use. Now, next method is to use components or plugins. For a cleaner and professional look, use Figma plugins like Annotations, Sticky Notes, or Figma widgets. Just go to the plugins tab and search for one and run it. So this is how you can add annotations in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.